I really need the Chester right now, but Chester is somewhere over the rainbow.
Chester's dead?
No, I left him somewhere and I just kept continue traveling, vlogging.
He's vlogging?
Yeah. I'm a vlog Vtuber. Vlogger. Vlogger. Kronii, I don't want to kill someone by my jokes, okay? Don't die. No, that's not even my jokes. That's my English. Vlogs, VTuber, vlog, YouTube VTuber, vlogger. You're killing Kronii? Easy, don't die.
What's happening?
No, you know vlogger on the internet?
What's happening?
Vlogger. You know vlogger, right? You know vlogger, right? Muna, vlogger. Yes, right? Yeah, vlogger. But how to be a vlogger VTuber? Because vlogger is usually YouTuber, right? Vlogger, YouTuber. But if you're a VTuber and then your content is like vlogging, it's like what? Vlogger VTuber?
I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, what?
Vlogger. Vlogger? You know vlogger? Please stop. Why? Vlogging. Tahu gak sih yang itu traveler? Oh no. Hold on. Oh, torch. Why? I don't even know why Kronii is laughing that loud. Maybe she's just so happy. I don't know. I don't get it.
I'm just having a moment.
Oh, you're just having a moment?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Stone.
Oh boy.
Okay. Oh! Pronunciation again? What? Hold on, let me check. Flock. Not like that. English. What? I don't know. Flock? What? I don't know. Oh no, the torch. Oh, I don't know, guys. This is so painful.
Okay.
Indeed.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
VLOG? No?
Yeah,
What's going
yeah.
on? I don't know.
Is that
Yeah.
one? Sorry.
Yeah.
I just heard something else is all.
All good, guys. All good.
Yeah.
It's like when you say laugh and sounds like laugh. I don't know. Just kill me, I think.
That is hard for.
Yeah, pronunciation is hard, right?
It is.
Yeah.
It is hard. It is hard.
It is so hard.
I didn't mean
know.
to. I didn't mean to do that. It's just
No.
it sounded. It just sounded like something else.
Yeah. Understandable. It's okay. My fears help me so much. Yeah. It's okay. I'm going to jump over that.
Ooh. Well, I'm going through it.
But still, I still haven't gotten the answer yet.
What kind
say
of answer
it,
do you
please.
want?
Traveling.
Just don't say it.
No, I said it on the other way, on other ways. Yeah. So if it's like you're traveling and you're a VTuber, then how? Right? Yeah. How? Virtual. No, stop. Later, if I say that, Kronii gonna be laughing like.
So how
crazy
to say
again.
it correct, Kronii?
See, yeah, how? VLOGGER, how?
Vlogging.
What?
What? See?
What?
Muna, you said it. We probably gonna have the same pronunciation. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually don't get it because usually Indonesians
Try
Don't-
first. Muna, you try
Don't
first.
perceive me, please.
Usually our Indonesians say vlogging, so
See, is it right? Is she right? No.
It's like
No?
you don't have the. It starts with a V, so it's vlogging.
It's the same, right?
same.
Vlogging.
It's the same.
It's like subtle, but
It's not. It's
Vlogging.
not the same.
Vlogging.
yeah.
Vlog.
Vlogging.
Also, it's like vlog.
Yeah,
Not
like
flow. It's vlog, but not flow.
yeah.
Oh, I get it. It's vlogging. Oh, okay.
Yeah, vlogging.
Oh, it's with A, Kaela. It's with A, not with O. That's how we pronounce it, I guess.
Flogging.
No.
Also, it's not the feet.
like softer.
Flogging.
Vlogging?
Like that? I don't know. That's painful.
Vlogging?
Vlogging. Muna saying it right.
What?
Vlogging?
It sounds the same.
It's softer, like vlogging.
Vlogging.
You know what? No, I'm not gonna say the word
So
again.
it's,
I'll
it's like
just
FLAO.
You're doing a good job. It's just
no.
that English
I will.
is just,
No, I
just
will. I
doesn't
will
make
change it. I will have the other way. I'll say it. Vlogging. What? What? Vlogging? Wrong again? Dah lah.
Oh,
I don't even know what's going on.